a small business process approval process, business process. So here the user starts with filling the form, attaching the documents, and then it moves to reviewer and endorser, approver 1 and approver 2. So this is small, and there are some changes to the business process which you presented, so it will be tweaked accordingly later, but there are some issues over there which we need to align the business process. So to access this, let me start from here, basically from this point. Okay, I am going to request as a new user, so there will be a form that will be presented. So the customer ref, there is some value called customer ref, and choose the file. So the file attachment is something tricky which is not yet resolved, but I am trying to work on it. It is resolved to a certain extent but not completely, so I cannot assure that attachment will be available or not. So I submitted the form from the user perspective. So there is an instance which is 136 which is created in the business process system. So let's go to the process instance. So basically the 136 which we submitted failed because we have not selected the validated, because the system will validate the inputs from the user. So the validated value is not captured here. So let me submit another form now. Okay, I will choose something, and then now I am going to select the validated and submit. So this validated will be done by a system internally. So the process instance ID is 137 now. So we have 137 process ID which was created here listed. So this is will usually be accessed by the program. So here this is a UI which we are trying to see how the process works. So let's see the task over for this. So the task is pending at the reviewer. So reviewer will basically get it released and then start working on this. So while start working on this, this start will be invoked by the programs. So this is just for demonstration. And review and complete. Review done, and now the task is with the endorser. So endorser will also perform the same task of claiming and working, right? He will start the process. He will say it is endorsed by checking it, and the endorser comments and complete. So it is with the approver 1. So approver 1 also will release and start working on it. So once, and it is marked as approved, complete. Now it is with approver 2. Okay, so now the approver 2 will also start working on this. He will mark as approved, enter comments, and then complete the process. With this, our process is completed. So we have a pending of invoking with the programs and having attachment in place, which is still stuck at the attachment point.